Hi, Sherrie from Canada's Rock Shop. Today I wanted to talk to you about amethyst. It's a very common stone, very popular, but so popular I feel it has even become a little underrated and forgotten in respect to its metaphysical properties. There are many types of amethyst. We have the pink from Argentina, the beautiful Uruguay, which is the most purple and most desirable of all amethysts. We have the Canadian, which has the red hematite in it. We have the green amethyst from Brazil, which does form naturally, but it also can be heated to achieve that color. We've got the Brazilian amethyst, which is the most available. And here is the sparkly black amethyst from Uruguay. And there is also elestial amethyst found in the Yunnan Mountains of China. So amethyst is found almost throughout the world. There's just different grades of it, different colors, but it is a powerhouse crystal when it comes to energies. So if you're looking for a crystal that brings great ambiance to a room, that peace and calm, amethyst is the stone for that. Perfect for your bedside for a good night's sleep. If you work in an environment that's a little bit stressful or even a touch negative, amethyst is the stone to have because it will turn all that negativity into positive. So if you're looking for something to offer stress relief, deep meditations, and just a great overall feeling, amethyst is the one to consider.